All I do is rhyme. All I do is get this money. All I do is grind. Play shows and chill with honeys. All I do is shine. Show the world, ain't it funny? I'm one of a kind.
All American. First team, bitch. Yeah. I got a fake ID and a checklist. It goes never meet a girl on Craigslist, and never spend your money on a necklace. 3 square meals, homie, gotta have breakfast. Real shit, she be paying for the date. I be on my Will Smith, enemy estate. Keep my friends close, keep my enemies away. Like they own repellent, they so jealous. I'ma do shit that just piss them off. Say you never heard me, it's yo lost. They biting on my freestyles. They tell me make my money frontin' on that weed style. I tell them I be too old for it, and I gave my brother my ID. She independent, bet these bitches never find me. I hope they don't find him though, cause they be knocking on my door, now they looking through my window. Tell me what you really want from me. Point blank, no discussion. Close mouth, ow. I'll give it to you, no interruption. And tell me one time that you want me. I promise that I won't say nothing. Shut it up, shut it up. I'll give it to you, no interruption. And you're home, oh. On the phone, all alone, I'll give it to you, no interruption. In your house, on the couch, name the time and the place and the function. I'll give it to you, no interruption. Talking money, I don't really give a F, man. I got power like a motherfucking X-Man. Married to the game, but I'd rather be the best man. You be on the same shit all day. S-Pen, brand new kicks while you shopping at a Payless. Do it on my first take, skipping all the Payless. See me, you could be me, but I end up on the A-list. I'm chilling with Rihanna in the KKK mans. I'm just kidding, I'm a white kid. Hi kids, Anderson Silva, I hit him with the high kicks. Never been really, you nothing but a sidekick. Oh, you want my space? That used to be my shit. So who's killing the game? Who's the culprit? I be working like I'm Onda's home Vic. Now I got a bunch of new friends and they all rich. Got blazers, all rich. Tell me what you really want from me. Point blank, no discussion. Close mouth, ow. I'll give it to you, no interruption. And tell me one time that you want me. I promise that I won't say nothing. Shut it up, shut it up.
Rocky checking in. That driving 88 shit. My nigga LP on the beat. And bitch, I'm out here grinding. Crib like King of Diamonds. You can catch me wearing. Yeah, I'm shining. With my nigga Fresh Goods, making sure them checks good. Gotta feed the homies, real players with respect. Wood, these flashing lights is blinding. Go get them a visor. Call to be the gas leak and I set this shit on fire. And I don't fuck with liars, only tell the truth. Honesty is key and that is in and out the booth. And I ball while they in the bleachers, so high they can't reach us. I dropped out of college and made more dough than my teachers. Definition of swaggin', all off of my passion. One time for real niggas that's out here making it happen. And middle finger to them niggas who gon' say that we ain't fly. We above all of that drama cause we out here staying high. You gon' see a real nigga when you look me in the eye. I'm a leader in this bitch and homie, I can tell you why. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. Now I in deep thought when I was high. Thought about the time that I wasn't even picked to be the leader of the shy. Just a young nigga trying to get up at the gym. Yeah, niggas ain't know, now them niggas like damn. People I ain't know try to say that my fam. See the jewels and they tryna play cam. Tell them they can dip, they ain't rolling with the set. And if you got money, you can go and place a bet. I be in the sky cause we riding on the jet. Rolling up the wet, but never getting seen because I got a name and a brand to protect. And all I ask from the people is respect. In return, they gon' get the same thing. They took a young player from the shot off the bench, and now they about to watch the whole game change. Remember my name. and understand that I'm a go-getter, money maker. Made a promise I can't be no broke nigga. That would be a letdown, like unraveling a broke swisher. Me and success is a dope picture. You own the same and I fuck with you. Middle finger to them niggas who gon' say that we ain't fly. We above all of that drama, cause we out here staying high. You gon' see a real nigga when you look me in the eye. I'm a leader in this bitch and homie, I can tell you why. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on the road. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. Hating on the low. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. With hella hoe. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a Rocky on the road. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. Making hella dope. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. Out here rocking hella shows. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. And the whole city knows. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. And middle finger to them niggas who gon' say that we ain't fly. We above all of that drama, cause we out here staying high. You gon' see a real nigga when you look me in the eye. I'm a leader in this bitch and homie, I can tell you why. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie. I'm on fire. You say you're more fire than nigga, you a lie.